All right, everyone, welcome back to the series, the Getting Started Guide 2025 for notarized.com. Once again, I will say nobody told me that they wanted this. Well, actually, people have told me they wanted this. Now, Notarized did not tell me that I could do this, but I'm just basing it on my experience. This is not from the company. This is just from one of the veteran contractors, right? So we've gone through the full process of the signing. Now we're going to talk about how to successfully close out a transaction. How do you close out a transaction on the notarized platform? It can get a little bit awkward because let's say they have signed their documents. Okay, they've signed. Hello, Miss Smith. Okay, Miss Smith. Okay, that's it. I'm going to give you exactly what I say at the end of, let's say it's either a retail or business transaction. Okay, because we don't know how the payment piece is going, and that can get a little tricky. Okay. So let me tell you how I close it out and leave it open enough to let them know what to expect. Okay. Okay. All right. I think that's it. The signing is complete. Let me take a moment. Let me see if I can validate the results. Pause. What I do when I say that, I click the button that says complete, and that goes through the document to review it to see if there's anything you need to revisit, if it thinks you forgot a stamp or if you forgot a field and that sort of thing. That's what that does. Okay. So I say, all right, just give me a few moments. Let me see if I can validate the results. And then I click the complete button. Oh, it looks like all fields are complete and that the transaction has been completed accordingly. So what I'm going to do now, when I click out, the next screen will let you know what you need to do to finish up the transaction. So that's it. Thank you for using Notarize and have a great day. And that's it. That's what I do. Okay. Sometimes it can, again, get a little, sometimes I hear people after the transaction, they're like, the notaries are like, okay, thanks, bye. And people have questions. I want to kind of give them the idea that the next screen mate is going to tell you something. Okay. And essentially, without me saying, I don't have any answers for you. I don't know if you need to pay or not. I don't, I don't want to say that. But I am saying, hey, when I click out, which means I'm leaving, when I click out, the next screen will let you know if there's anything else you need to do to finish up the transaction. Okay. So that's it. That was the multi-step process in order to complete a successful notarization on the notarized.com platform, the 2025 edition. So I'm ready to hear from you. Give me notes down below, comments. Tell me if anything has changed. Am I like, oh, see, that's old school. We don't do that anymore. Let me know because I think it's important, even though I don't think I'm that far off base. But do you have any additional questions? Any other videos you want me to do? Any do you need mentorship? Let me know down below. I do that as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for joining me. And I hope you have watched all of the parts of this series. If not, go back. And in fact, go and watch the whole playlist. There is, initially, I was called the Mobile Notary Mentor because I talk about being a mobile notary as well as an online notary, and lots of good information, lots of good free information. We love that price point, free 99. So go back, study it, ask questions in the comments if you have them. So until next time, everyone, thank you so much. Have a great evening and happy signing. Bye.